Are you looking for a Mother's Day present? In this video, I will show you the best Mother's Day presents in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the NAPO Massage Gun Deep Tissue Percussion Muscle Massager. This is the perfect gift to relax. The quiet massage gun is designed with 55mm high-torque brushless motor paired with double bearing rotation structure. It provides powerful, deep muscle stimulation. The motor is ultra-quiet, 43 dB low operating noise. If your mom is having a stress day, this will help her relax. This massage gun is perfect for treating your body like you should. The massage gun comes with a zipper carrying /storage case. It is a decent gift for yourself, families or friends. The fourth product on the list is the Royal Craftwood Luxury Bamboo. Let your mom indulge herself in the most relaxing bathtub experience and enjoy a luxurious home spa treatment. With natural bamboo water-resistant bathtub caddy tray organizer for bath products and electronic accessories. This is the perfect gift for a romantic date night or to simply relax and have a good time. Get rid of all the stress and worries with this luxury but affordable gift. The third product on the list is the Flexi Spa Steam Foot Spa Bath Massager with electric rollers. Abandon the trouble that comes with a traditional foot bath. Flexi Spa is equipped with a super efficient steam system, which will generate steam after just 30 seconds. Once heated, the machine will keep a warm and comforting temperature for 20 minutes. Whether your mom needs to relax your feet and reduce swelling, or want to reduce stress and get a good night's sleep, Flexi Spa can help you with all of these. By combining the touch of rolling massagers with the soothing effects of steam, it offers an innovative foot spa experience. Simply find a perfect massage mode through the convenient timer and temperature controls on its smart touch panel. The steam cover and massage plates both detach, so cleaning is simple. Enjoying a foot spa has never been easier. The second product on the list is the 14K solid gold diamond heart necklace. Jillian is a gold and diamond jewelry brand, manufacturer, and online retailer based in the United States, Canada, and Germany, supported by millions of customers in 20 countries. Jillian was founded on three principles: good design, good quality, and good service. Their fine jewelry is handcrafted with the same top materials and quality craftsmanship as other fine jewelry brands, but without the traditional markups. Treat your mom with an amazing piece. They believe in keeping it simple, using clean lines, and letting the product speak for itself. That is why all of their products are characterized by minimalism and simplicity. The first product on the list is the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Ember, the world's first temperature control mug, is a design-led temperature control brand and technology platform whose mission is to revolutionize the way people eat, drink, and live. Founded by inventor and serial entrepreneur Clay Alexander, Ember creates, designs, and develops temperature control products that offer people complete customization. The award-winning Ember Travel Mug and Ember Mug are the most advanced coffee mugs on the market, allowing you to set and maintain your preferred drinking temperature for hot beverages. This is an amazing tech item for your mom if she's on the go all the time. With a built-in battery, Ember Mug 2 will maintain your desired drinking temperature for up to 1.5 hours, or all day when paired with the included charging coaster. LED light at the base of the mug will inform you when your beverage is heating up or cooling off, when it is ready to drink, and when your battery needs to be charged. Personalize your mug by changing the LED to your favorite color. Your mom can now drink anything on the go without it getting cold. That's amazing! Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.